Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on Uber. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and switch accounts on Uber because you want to go ahead and switch to your spouse's, family members, or friend's account. How do you actually go ahead and switch accounts on Uber? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what we're first going to do is click onto the Uber app. Next, we're going to click on account on the bottom right-hand corner. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and then click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, this is a really important step, guys. You want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says switch account and click on switch account. Now, once you've done so, this is where you can go ahead and log on to your other Uber account, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch accounts on Uber. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.